Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Fateh. Today, the 3rd of October 2021, is a memorable day and a historical day for all we people in Sentul who have been longing to see a new Darbar Sahib being constructed.
Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Today, 3rd October 2021, is a very auspicious day for the Sentul Gurdwara Sangat because we have taken the first step on expanding our present Darbar Sahib, and we believe that new Darbar that is going to be extended behind this Darbar is going to cater for a larger crowd. The reason this came about was about 6-7 years ago. The brainchild of Tan Sri Rajpal, who is our development committee chairman.
Today, the laying of the stones by the Panj Pyare has already inaugurated and started off. I, on behalf of all the Sikh residents here, am very, very proud to say that this was our birthplace. We have been coming to this Gurdwara ever since we were young, and we shall always shower our ardas and our blessings.
So at this present time, we need to expand the Darbar Sahib to cater the increase of Sangat in Kuala Lumpur. Since it's one of the oldest Gurdwara, we have a lot of Sangat coming here. Even Vaisakhi in 2019, before the pandemic, we had 2 Smagams here where we had crowds of 5,000 Sikhs from all over Klang Valley who have attended the programs here. Right? So it became a necessity, and on that basis, this decision was made. And today was the first step towards that decision. Right? Once this Darbar is ready, one of the criteria we have decided was to maintain the present old Darbar that you are seeing behind me. This Darbar will not be touched except for the back wall. Only the back wall will be removed and linked to the new Darbar. And this Darbar, present Darbar size is 12 meters by 18 meters. The width is 18 meters, the length is 12 meters. With the new Darbar coming in, it's going to be 18 meters. So in total, with the combination of both the Darbars, it's going to be 18 meters by 30 meters in size, which is going to be one of the largest Darbars in Klang Valley.
बहुत सानू खुशी की गल आ कि नवा दरबार साहब होगा। सारी आस आ एज अ डेवलपमेंट कमेटी के 1 साल 14 महीने ये मकान खड़ा कर दिए क्यों संगत नूं लोड़ आ। पुराना गुरुद्वारा अपना बहुत छोटा वा।
वाहिगुरू जी का खालसा, श्री वाहिगुरू जी की फतेह। I would like to take this opportunity ਗੁਰੂ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਦਾ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਇਹ ਨਵਾਂ ਦਰਬਾਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਆਰੰਭ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ 5 ਪਿਆਰਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਬਖਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ, ਤੇ ਉਮੀਦ ਹੈ ਅਗਲੇ ਸਾਲ ਵਿਸਾਖੀ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਦਰਬਾਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਸੰਪੂਰਨ ਹੋਏਗਾ। ਤੇ ਸੰਗਤਾਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਪੂਰਾ ਮਿਲਵਤਨ ਦੇਣਾ ਅਤੇ ਇਸ ਕਾਰਜ ਨੂੰ ਸੰਪੂਰਨ ਬਖਸ਼ਣਾ। ਅੱਗੇ ਤੋਂ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਕਰੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਕਾਰਜ ਗੁਰਮਤਿ ਅਨੁਸਾਰ ਸੰਪੂਰਨ ਬਖਸ਼ੇ।
Roughly the cost of this new Darbar and renovating the present Darbar, because the present Darbar has also needs massive renovation, so aircon, the roof, the wiring is going to cost roughly 3 million to 3.5 million. Depends on how the project runs and the cost factor that may come in over the months as variations of any development that may come in. And we hope to complete the new Darbar that is behind before next year's Vaisakhi, that is it may be 14 or 13 April 2022.
The new Darbar Sahib will be able to cater for about 400 Sangat to be there at any one time, and it can be a good function in the sense that central area has grown with the new developments all around. The Sangat has grown, and that's a need for them to have a bigger Darbar Sahib. and that will bring all the Sangat around here to be able to attend the functions in this new Darbar Sahib, and everyone will be happy to be able to come and visit Guru Granth Sahib, who's our living Guru, and we should be able to have better community functions, mixtures and get together.
ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਦਰਬਾਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੀ ਸੇਵਾ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ, the present Prabandh Committee with the Development Committee are going to preserve the old building, which has been known as Gurdwara Sahib Central Workshop. This is a historical, more than 100 over years Darbar Sahib, and it will be connected and attached to a new Darbar Sahib and become a single Darbar Sahib, one of the best Darbar Sahib in Southeast Asia. So we would like to take an appeal to whole Sangat Darbar Sahib become a successful and Maharaj Kripa Kare.
To also add on that the Central Development Committee has appointed some excellent contractors, engineers and architects. The architect here is Anwar Aziz, a very renowned architect headed by Dato Saiful, and the engineers are also very well known who have handled many big projects. HSS Integrated, Sanjay Bahat, and for the contractor, it's a subsidiary company of IGM Corporation, which is a giant in developing projects in Malaysia. So we believe we have one of the best team to do the new Darbar Sahib and the renovation of the present Darbar Sahib. To end it all, my humble request, like our Guruji has always said, we all, once the new Darbar is ready, please come. We all celebrate Vaisakhi together, united as one Sangat or Gurdwara Sahib Central. And I believe our Guruji will want that from all of us. And I really hope all this will come through with all of us, Panaprawa, all of us sitting in the same new Darbar and enjoying the prayers during the coming Vaisakhi. Right. Thank you. Bole Sonyal. Sat Sri Akal.